Hello everybody, today I'm going to help you express yourselves with rap and hip hop. So if you've got an instrument like a piano or a drum, go grab it. If you don't have any instruments, you could grab a hardcover book and some pencils. So for now, I'm going to play you an electronic hip hop beat with this keyboard, this drum pedal, electric drum pedal, and this bass drum. While I do that, you can brainstorm ideas to play along with me later. So, if you've got a keyboard, I'd suggest messing around with any of the black notes, because that's what the key of the song is. But, you could really play any note you'd like, because you're just expressing yourself. And same goes for the drums. Play anything you want. But one suggestion, for example, would be playing on the 1 and 3 with the low note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 and 4 with the high note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then again, these are just suggestions, and there are no wrong notes. Like, same goes for rapping. Write down anything you'd like to express your feelings or your thoughts. Anything you want to sing or rap about. Alright, so get ready to brainstorm. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. So now that you've got these ideas, let's use them and try to rap or play along with the music while I play that same beat. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. See you next time.